Kicha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I have a very special guest, Miya. Say hi. She's Miya. She's only 2.5 years old, and she's one of my best friends. And today she's gonna be my assistant chef, baby chef Miya. What do you want to make today? What do you want me to make for you? You want egg? Okay, so today we are going to make omelette for her, but not just any omelette. We're going to make omelette in a bag. You want omelette in a bag? Okay, so wow, magic! See? I didn't know I could do magic. Fluffy omelette with toast. A classic breakfast popular from all around the world. Omelette originated in France in the mid-16th century, and there have been many varieties since then, like Italian, French, Mexican, Spanish, and Indian, and many, many more. If you're an egg lover, you would have definitely come across the omelettes in a bag. So today, Miya chose omelette in a bag. So let's get started. Miya, let's get started. First, I kept the water for boiling. Take the Ziplock bag. What is this, Miya?
Egg.
Add the eggs. Where is the pepper? That's salt. This is pepper. Okay. Add the pepper. Miya, do you want to add the salt? Put the salt in this. Do. Yeah. Okay, good. Good, Miya. And now, Miya, do like this. Fully. Yes. Let me continue. Now, squish, 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 squish. Miya, also do it. Squish. Squish, 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 squish. Mix this. Open. Okay, now this is mix. Open. Now next, add the milk. Miya drinks milk every day, right? Milk. What is this, Miya? What is this? This green.
Capsicum.
It's capsicum or bell pepper. Take it. Good job. Miya, now let's add this. Now what is this? Remember? Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay. Miya, now you add. I'll help you. Okay. Now, mushroom, cooked mushroom. You can add anything you want, like sausage or chicken, but I'm using mushrooms. And this is? What is this? What's the name?
Onion.
Correct. Now, Miya, hold tight. Don't allow it to fall. Good, Miya. And now zip and then squish, 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 squish. Okay, thank you for reminding me, Miya. Now I'm going to immerse this in water. Miya, go a little back. Okay. Now we have to wait for 12 to 13 minutes. What do you want to do for 12 to 13 minutes? Want to go? Let's go and have a break? Okay, come on. Get down here. Boiled it for about 12 to 13 minutes. And now let's see if it's done. To me it looks done. Let's take this out without burning my hand. Can I get this out? Wait for this to cool. Miya, don't touch this, okay? It's really hot. See, omelette. Okay, Miya. What is this?
Egg.
Not egg. Omelette. Say omelette.
Omelette.
Omelette. La.
La.
Say omelette.
Omelette.
Okay. Let me keep this aside. It's a really helpful method because if you get a huge pot, you can put many Ziplock bags with the mixture and then you can make many number of these. So, Miya, put the fork like this. Press. You want to eat? Eat. So, thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Please do try this out at your home and tell me how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube HD. Bye. Thank you, Miya. So let me have one also.
For more yummy videos, subscribe and click the notification button next to the subscribe button.